Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a birthday card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set with you in mind. We're going to use best wishes and happy birthday again, and then the flower like that set. We have a designer series paper from the Countryside Inn. It is on the last chance list. I love this paper. I only have a couple of full-size sheets, and then the rest are all pieces of it. This piece here is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Love it. We're using that side. These pieces here, this one here is cut 2 1/4 by 4 inches or 4 1/4 inches. This here is a scrap that was at the bottom. I have a lot of scraps here at the bottom, so I just grabbed this piece. Basic white. This is a 2 3/8 inch circle punched out. And this here is the card base, basic white, cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And yes, we're using white as our card base today. I love it, you guys. I make a card. This here I'm gonna go ahead and glue down to the top of the card. I like that white border all the way around. Get it even as best as you can. So center as best as you can. Oh, yeah, wiggle room time. You saw I was trying to move it just a tiny bit, but it moved quite a lot. But yeah, with the liquid glue, sometimes when you're pushing it over, not meaning to, it will go ahead and move over. I'm getting some paper snips because I wanted to create a banner, because I'm going to have this here and put the banner on. I am going to cut up the center, and from the corner, cut to the center, wherever my center is. Can't see because it's so dark. There. Yeah, dark paper. Try not to curl like how I just did. But there's my banner. Love it. Also going to do that on this small piece, just with a tiny just a tiny flag or banner at the end. Kind of want that a little sharper. There we go. Love it. Put my snips away. And then this here, I'm gonna use, I actually got all the colors that's in the paper. Don't you love it? All these blues. Although I'm gonna use navy blue as my color. I'm sorry, not navy blue. This is Night of Navy. But yes, it is a navy blue color. Center, best as you can. There we go. Almost looks black on there. Okay, and then, which I should have done this stamping before I glued the front in. Oh, on the finger. Sorry, wiping it off on my shirt. Happy birthday. Love it. So dark. And then I was thinking of doing Misty Moonlight right here. Oh, that's pretty dark. Let's try another color. Let's get our clean that off. Let's do the boho blue. Put it down here. And then I'll clean that off again. My Stampin' chamois. and then use, what is this? Balmy Blue. I'm gonna go off a little. Love it. Now, I'm gonna stop there. Stop there, you guys. I wanted to keep on going. That looks beautiful. Okay. Now, let me close that. Now, let's go ahead. Oh, see, and I was supposed to go ahead and put this in here like this. I wanted to do something different and do that. And I got carried away with the flowers. Easy to do, easy to do. Pushing it up onto my fingers. Love it. Oh. Just like that. This here on the front. This side is nice too, y'all. Putting it more towards the left, and I'm putting it only to the top of the designer series paper. It's like that. And I'm going to take this and put it here with Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm going to put 5 on there so that it doesn't sag in the middle. Centering this on the card, a little off of the banner, but that's how I wanted it, and a little towards the top. And I am grabbing some rhinestones, and I just have a few more to use in here, so let's go ahead and use them. I'm gonna put the big and the medium at the top, and then one big one here at the bottom, just like that, you guys. I like that. Do you guys like that? Let me know in the comments below. I love that, you know. Oh, thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my website. The link is provided in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye.